Nantong Enerpat Machine Company Limited is a pioneer recycling equipment manufacturer in waste reduction management. Our main products are shredder, scrap metal baler, horizontal baler, and wood shaving machine, especially professional in kinds of recycling plants such as e-waste recycling plant, oil filter recycling plant, tire recycling plant, aluminum copper radiator recycling plant. Enerpad provide customers individual shredding and baling solutions for all types of waste materials. Cost-effective, highly efficient, durable, and easy to operate size reduction machinery is what we deliver. We cover the full range of shredders and balers, large or small, and we can also customize recycling machines to suit a client's unique processing requirements and possible space restrictions. Our market is globally operated, includes Asia, Europe, USA, Middle East, South Africa, and Australia. We also have agents in different markets like Australia, South Africa, and Middle East. Machine quality is our priority. Our factory and office are ISO 9001 compliant and our machines are CE certified. A great deal of time is devoted to the quality control system, ensuring every recycling machine delivered will satisfy the client both in its value and quality, ensuring years of trouble-free operation and minimal maintenance expense. We cooperated with worldwide famous companies like BASF and Bayer. Our goal is to become a leading world-class recycling machinery manufacturer, making Enerpad the first choice when recycling machinery is required.
Welcome to Interpat, professional recycling machine factory.